Hi guys, Dev-initly Mary here today. We want to work on our infrared thermometer to get a temperature, or better say to get freezing. But first things first, let us go back to our project. Last time we stay at this point, we got this UI widget, and we want to put it here on to cover this. So let us get widget display. Make it a child of this. Why not? Scroll down until here. VB temperature widget and draw at desire. So we see it anywhere far away. So let us bring it to the right destination. We have to flip it around so we can see it, or can see the most of it. And now you see that our widget is separated, and you can't really see the numbers. You can read it. It's impossible for us. So let us change that now. First, we want 256 times 2.8 as a desire. So now we got to scale it a little. So you see, with this we cannot work. So let us make some changes here. We go on 25.6 by 128. It's the same ratio. Expand this, and we want to make this at 72 pixels. We want to anchor it at the middle and put it here. Now we want to go back. We want to flip it this side around. So flip this side. Oh, that's a wrong size. Maybe this side. And when this side. So now we got a nice and clean. So, but the dimension is much too high. So let us bring it a little bit down, like 0.05, 0.05. So now it has a much better size. So now we bring it here and here, and we bring it a little bit up, and we cover now the side, but our rotation is wrong. So put that to, oh no, that's not right. Oh, let us bring it to the right. So that's the right rotation. Now we can bring it really near the plane. Now we cover most of it. It will not be from this far, you cannot see it. So now we got our text. So this has to be variable, and this called temperature. So but we want to set the mode Celsius or Fahrenheit. So that we want to add a plane. We call that highlight Celsius. And for that, we want to bring it to a specific position. This is the position. Now you can see it's exactly on this spot. I will show you a short while the exact positions so you can get it. And we need a highlight green. So now we have here highlighted the Celsius. So the user now, okay, this temperature is in Celsius. Let us copy it for Fahrenheit. And Fahrenheit won't be put there. So for default, we want to choose Celsius. So we want to make it this way. So now we have adjust what we want. So first of all, we want to go to the event graph. We want get our display. Get widget as to VB temperature widget. And here we want to get our temperature. And we want to set the text to first nothing. Because we need here one flag active. We want to activate the thermometer later on. So, or let us say $7. So now if we put a thermometer, equipment, thermometer, we put it anywhere near here, and let us move it so the player can read it. Let us start. We will see 7.0, but we see it in the middle. It would be nice. It will go right. So let us change that. We go here and we tell the text to go from right to left. So if we start again, you will see it's still in the middle. Yeah. We have to do two things. The text itself, so if we have a long number, but the anchor has to be at 256 point. So now we can do it. Yeah, the temperature goes from the right. You see it. We have green and we have our other buttons. So now we need some method to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. For that, we make a function and we call it Fahrenheit to or in Celsius. That's the first function, and we need the opposite Celsius in Fahrenheit. let us begin with this function. So here we need to set it pure. We need one input as a float. We call that Fahrenheit float, and one output, we call it Celsius. It is float too. So we want to go in with Fahrenheit and go out with Celsius. That's what we want. Now we need a math expression. I write it wrong. Short moment. So we take Fahrenheit minus, also whatever the Fahrenheit is, minus 32. And then we have to edit here something. We call that, how we call it? Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit. We not take a variable for that. Let us make it. The right formula is Fahrenheit minus 32 times 590. So we have short taken a calculator, and 5 times 9, it's 0.55. So we make this times 0.55 and bring it here. So that's the whole function that will translate Fahrenheit into Celsius. Now we did the same with Celsius in Fahrenheit. And we call the first go in, it's of course Celsius. And we need one return node, and of course that will be Fahrenheit. So far so good. The formula here is Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. And so we have to calculate again short. What exactly is 9 divided by 4? It's 1.8. So we multiply this by 1.8 and we call added on that 32. So that's the two formulas we need. Now we go back to our event graph. We say key code keyboard. Yeah, let us take this. We have what key we want to press for that. Maybe we want press K for that. But I think we cannot did it here exactly. Because if we want to do it here, we have to enable input. Later on, we do all on the player, but for this purpose, we will do it here. We press K. We make a flip-flop. And we are at standard on Celsius. So we make this. And here we make our Fahrenheit in Celsius. Something is wrong here. Yeah, we'll go back. Why is it? Okay, it doesn't matter. It matter. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. Short moment. We make the function pure. We not have to make it pure. Now we could do this. And we want again get the display here. And we want to get, oh no, we want to get widget here. We want to get temperature here. Not the same path. Pass to VB temperature display. And I'm here. Oh no, we could. No. We will make it 2 times. It's okay. At the end, it's better for us. So now we want here to get temperature, and we want to set text. So very important for us to deal here with a temperature with, let us call that current temperature, and let us did that a float. Float. Yeah. And we want to set it here to 7. So, and now we want to set it here and to get it here. Yeah, it's not really beautiful, but not that ugly, so it's okay. Here is the same. We want to get the temperature in Celsius, and we want to get it there. Which key we use? K. So now we go to our thermometer. That's K. It not work. Oh, okay. I not want to put all of that now into the player. So let us put it here. In the first place, we have 7 degrees. We go this way further on, and we would have now the Fahrenheit. And it says 32 Fahrenheit. Is that correct? It's not correct. It should be 34.6 Fahrenheit. So let us look why the Fahrenheit do it wrong. Get the Celsius times a plus formal grad Fahrenheit in Celsius. Okay. So what did we wrong? Celsius times 1. First of all, 1.8. That's the first mistake. Let us try now. We still get hard-coded 32y. become this times this plus this, get this. So the problem here is, could only be current temperature is 0. That's the only reason it could be that wrong. Yeah, it is 0. So now we must get 44.6. We get it. Here you can see it clearly. Now we go the other way around. We say we have 55 Fahrenheit and want the right Celsius. So press play, goes there, and you see 12.65 Fahrenheit. And that's totally correct. So yeah, in this video we make these things happen. In the next video of the temperature thermometer, we will bring that to our character, and we will make the temperature zones to measure something. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, see ya.